Puppy, Kitty, Bunny, Monster by Jess Shea. Illustrated by Anne Berry. I have a puppy. At least he looks like a puppy. But he thinks he is a kitty. He cleans himself with his paws. He stretches real long and lays in the sun. I even think I heard him meow one day. Oh, he also acts like a bunny. I take him for a walk, on his leash of course, because he is a puppy. But he hops across the yard like a bunny. With silly floppy ears and a fluffy white tail. A fluffy puppy tail. Because he is a puppy, even if he thinks he is a kitty and hops like a bunny. Oh, and one more thing. My puppy growls like a monster. We play, and he says, just like a sloppy-haired, big-toothed monster. I know what I'll call my puppy. Puppy, Kitty, Bunny, Monster. So, who are you? Do you even know? Well, no matter who you are, I love you. I love you if you are a cute, fuzzy puppy. I love you if you are a curious, clumsy kitty. I love you if you are a busy, bouncy bunny. And I love you even when you are a funny, furry, ferocious monster face. No matter who you are, I love you, and you are mine. A puppy, kitty, bunny, monster, perfect mess of mine. The end. If you like this video, please subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.